Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to calculate the percentage increase in any number by using two different methods. The first one is the formula method. So let's start. Let's suppose there is an item. The original price of that item is $12 and the sale price is $20. For using the formula method, I will be using one formula. Formula is the amount of change divided by the original amount or the original price multiplied by 100. The amount of change is actually the sale price minus the original price. So it's the sale price minus original price divided by original price into 100. The sale price is, as mentioned here, $20 minus $12 divided by the original price is 12 into 100. So 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. 8 by 12 into 100. So that is 66.67% increase. So this is how you can calculate the percentage increase in any number by using the formula method. So now we will be calculating the percentage increase in any amount by using the other method, that is called the multiplier method. So let's start. For that we need to find out the value of the multiplier. So remember, multiply means that how many times the original value has increased, right? So the formula we will be using is the sale price divided by the original price. The sale price is $20 and the original price is, as mentioned here, $12. So 20 divided by 12 is equal to 1.6667. So this is the value of the multiplier. To find out the percentage increase, we will be doing multiplier minus 1 into 100. Now over here we are subtracting 1 from the multiplier because we have to determine how much the original price has changed, right? So it's 1.6667 minus 1 into 100. So it will be 0.6667 into 100, that is equal to 66.67%. So this is how you can calculate the percentage increase in any number by using the multiplier method. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.